Jim Ratcliffe, the $21 billion Ineos mogul, is living every billionaire's dream in Monaco, saving $500 million a year in taxes with a single move. His 2025 Monaco residency is the talk of the ultra-rich, with Bernard Arnault and David Thompson copying his offshore banking playbook. Monaco's zero income tax status and UBS private banks are a billionaire haven, handling $10 million accounts for 30% more clients this year. Ratcliffe's $100 million Monaco villa, with panoramic yacht views, is a flex and a smart investment, appreciating 12% annually. His Ineos empire, spanning chemicals and sports, fuels this lifestyle, but it's Monaco's banking that's the real game changer. Picture this: $50 million parked in a UBS vault, saving $15 million in taxes, with zero reporting to the UK. Arnault's LVMH and Thomson's Reuters wealth follow suit, with Monaco's $5 billion banking sector booming. Critics call it tax dodging, but billionaires see it as wealth preservation. Monaco's 1% acceptance rate for residents ensures exclusivity. Ratcliffe's villa yields 7% rental income, and his offshore accounts fund $20 million yachts. In 2025, Monaco's billionaire population grew 10%, and UBS reported $506 billion in billionaire assets. Want a bank like Ratcliffe? You'll need $100 million liquid and a Monaco lawyer. The process takes 6 months, but the payoff's eternal. Subscribe to Hedge and Haven for more offshore secrets, and hit that like to join the elite.